I'm sure everyone with long curls like myself can relate to the daily struggle I face to try and keep my curls stylish, maintained, and healthy. Whether it be frizz, breakage, or even slow growth, I definitely know how annoying it can be to deal with a frizzy afro in the morning. So today I'm talking about my favorite hairstyle to do with my long curly hair, and especially when I'm in need for a switch up that isn't permanent like dye or the dreaded buzz cut. I'm talking braids. Admittedly, this style might not be for everybody, but for those that can confidently rock this style, you'll instantly look more attractive. Not to mention how healthy it is for your hair and the noticeable growth you'll see in just a few days. I've been getting braids for years and have gone through a whole lot of struggles. Today, I'm gonna put you on everything I've learned so you don't have to go through the same ones. I'll be covering everything from the best haircut, how to maintain your braids, great products to use, and of course, a few very popular styles, so that once you're done with this video, you'll have all the keys to mastering this style. Anyways, there's a reason I'm wearing a beanie, and it's not because we just dropped this for my brand. I'm looking and feeling very rough. Plus, I don't want to make y'all wait any longer, so make sure to subscribe, and I'll see y'all at my barbershop. Now, I know a lot of people wonder whether you should go to your barber or hairstylist first, and honestly, every stylist will have a different answer for you. My hairstylist, Heather, prefers me to have a haircut first, so that's what we're doing today. And I'm really just looking to get a simple set of cornrows similar to Drake or Brent Faiyaz. Now, to get a similar look, it's important to ask your barber for a mid taper. For the back, get a low taper to keep the neck clean, but still allow you to have a lot of hair in the back. And finally, the most important part for fresh braids, which is a tapered hairline. This part is very crucial to not mess up, because if you do, you'll almost look like your hairline is receding. And there's no way to fix a pushback hairline besides restarting your hair. So to avoid ruining your curls, I'd recommend you asking your barber to make your tapered hairline no thicker than ½ an inch. As for the length on top, that all comes down to your personal preference, what style you're looking to achieve, and of course, what your hairstylist recommends. But now that I got a fresh cut, we are ready for braids. I'm just waiting on Heather right now, so while I do that, let me pay my bills real quick. This video is sponsored by none other than my brand, Nova Market. For those that don't know, I do own my own streetwear brand that I'm wearing all the time in my videos. And I just released my best pieces yet. Not only do we have these beautiful boxy fit tees, but I finally released some more beanies. And these ones are perfect for all my people with curly hair, braids, dreads, and even waves, because these beanies right here are lined with silk. Meaning not only are you getting two very stylish colorways, but you're also protecting your hair and keeping it healthy at the same time. If you're interested in supporting my brand and purchasing one of these pieces, the link to my website is in the description below. And now that I've gotten that out the way, let's get back to the video. Heather's here and it's time to get right into it. Obviously, this is not a tutorial, so I'm not gonna have you sit through my whole braid up, but I do wanna talk about the few products she uses and obviously the style itself. First, because I prefer thicker braids personally, we usually do 6 braids in total, 3 on each side of my head, and obviously trying to part it perfectly down the middle. Before she got here, I made sure to shampoo and condition my hair so it was not only damp and ready to be parted, but so it's clean and hydrated, which helps a ton with growth while rocking braids. Now, besides hair clips and a comb, 3 products that she uses while braiding my hair that I definitely recommend to y'all is first a good curling cream such as Shea Moisture or Aunt Jackie's Curl A La. She applies this product after parting my hair and thoroughly applies it through my curls to keep them hydrated. This also helps a lot with the second product, which is this Black Castor Miracle Braid Gel. Now, she applies this in very tiny bits while braiding my hair so that they can obviously hold better, but because I obviously have loose texture, she makes sure to apply it carefully, because if it's overdone, not only will my hair feel super hard in the braids, but in my experience, having too much product also makes your scalp and hair dry out a lot faster. Now guys, I've had these braids in for a week now and it's more than ready to take these out. I'm not trying to be funny, dramatic, or exaggerating. My head is so itchy. Not to mention, I woke up today without my do-rag. For most, this may not seem like a huge deal, but I have very light curl texture, and like I said, it's been a week, so brace yourself. I don't know how rough it's looking from the front. Obviously, my hairline's gotta be just a little bit combed down. If y'all can see in the back, it's looking very rough. Like, there's strands left and right that are sticking out, and it's mostly because I sleep rough, but also, like I said, I've had these in for a week, so they're ready to come out. So it's time to style my braid out. I'm gonna head to the bathroom and start taking these out. Then I can finally start my routine to get my beautiful curls back. The next move is to hop in the shower, get my hair shampooed and conditioned. Of Of course, we're gonna talk about the products in just a second, but first I wanna clean myself up because I look ridiculous right now. Alright y'all, I'm back from my shower, and as you can see, I have my hair nice and curly again. It's not styled yet. This is my natural hair, meaning I don't have any type of products in it. I do have some oils. The two oils that I have in there are rosemary oil mixed with some coconut oil. That's just because my scalp tends to get dry when I have braids in for a long time. But now it's time to style it up. And how I like to do my braid out, it's actually very simple. It's really only two products. First one being a conditioner spray, and the second one being a mousse. Now there are many different products you can choose from. There's a lot of great alternatives, most of which I have in my Amazon storefront. But the two that I'm using for my hair today are from AG Care. This video is not sponsored, but I do love these two products here to go ahead and style my hair, especially if I'm not trying to spend 20-30 minutes just to get some nice curls going. The first one is this coconut milk conditioning spray. This just adds a little bit of extra moisture to your hair. It's great to hydrate it, and I like using this almost daily. This spray is very nice. AG Care products are obviously all plant-based, and you know, there's no harmful ingredients. It's not heavy like any curling cream, meaning you can apply it a lot more often, and you won't get any greasy, sticky, or hard feeling from your hair. Now you can see with just that, my natural middle part is starting to show a little bit better, and my curls are starting to take a little bit of form. Now the second product is this extra firm mousse gel, which is perfect for curl retention. This does exactly as it says on the bottle, defines your curls, a firm hold, and you get that shiny and almost that wet hair look from this. And although I don't like using it every day, you can see you get a very nice thick foam from it, and usually I do separate it in different parts, but today we're just going all in. I just want to show y'all how effective this braid out is, because usually even just at this stage my curls aren't forming this way. So it's definitely a great method to get some nice curls, but also my hair has grown a ton, or at least it's feeling like it's grown a ton. I don't recall it going all the way to my chin when I got my braids. It was probably closer to like my top lip. Now I don't know if it's possible that it grew that much in a week, but it definitely feels like it did. I'm kind of dumb for not marking that because it would have been a great thing to track, but this hair is almost done. So I'll come back in a few minutes when my hair is fully dried and give y'all the final results. Now, my hair is finally dry. Time to take off the headband. And like that, our curls are back, y'all, and we got ourselves a nice little braid out. It was very simple, and guys, there's not very many steps to it. I feel like the difficult part about this is less about the styling and, you know, putting the products in your hair, rather getting the braids and having them in, because honestly they do kind of suck. Sometimes you might have someone who's rough with your head and they're tugging and pulling. If not that, you still have to wear a do-rag to keep it fresh. Of course, the itch always comes at some points, but if you guys want to take care of your curls, grow them faster, and of course get a nice style out of it, I definitely think it's worth it for those reasons right there. But guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Please let me know what you guys would like to see in the comments below. Of course, if you want some more hair tips and curl videos from me, be sure to click this playlist right here. And if you just want to see more content from me in general, make sure to subscribe. As always, make sure to have a good day. Peace.